everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with Aroma Hut Institute. I am so glad you're here today. I want to share with you about why become an aromatherapist. Isn't reading about essential oils enough education on the subject? Well, I guess you could ask if reading about plumbing is enough to become a plumber, or reading about healthcare, is that sufficient to become a doctor or a nurse? Well, since aromatherapy came on the scene in the United States in the 1980s, there's been great strides in becoming more of a business with the education of essential oils. You see, it's not enough to know that essential oils have a long aromatic history that dates all the way back 10,000 years. It is not enough to understand that essential oil comprises of hundreds and sometimes thousands of different chemical components that have unique actions on the human body, emotions, and spirit. It's not enough just to know there's many different ways and methods of applying essential oils to the body. And the methods that will be related to the chemistry and the vibrational frequency of the individual oils. So in this video, I want to share with you 5 great reasons to add aromatherapy to your healing practice and why you should become an aromatherapist. First, whether you're a nurse, doctor, therapist, or an energy healer, the essential oils make whatever you're doing even better. Why? Because they bring healing. There's a vibrational frequency to them. It's about vibrational energy. Everything living vibrates because of the atoms that are vibrating, and the molecules are vibrating, and this is causing the cells to vibrate, which brings, in short, everything is moving. Second, knowing the chemistry of essential oils will give you a leg up on how nature works. You see, essential oils are made up of hydrocarbons like monoterpenes, sesquiterpenes, oxygenated compounds like alcohols, phenols, esters, aldehydes, oxides, and many more. These compounds fall into categories with unique healing properties, and they don't cause side effects for the most part, unlike man-made pharmaceuticals, which insert non-living substances into the body. Third, knowing the actions of essential oils will enable you to better advise your clients on which essentials to use and how to incorporate nature's natural medicine into your healthcare. You can offer personal testimonies, look up information to help better understand and help make great choices with your client for their health. Fourth, essential oils can improve your health and help you as a healing practitioner to become a model of health for others. As you start to use essentials for your own health, appropriately, you find that you get sick less often and you have more energy, even thinking more clearly. I guarantee you, your clients will notice the difference and the gradual changes and want to know what you are doing to improve your own health. Fifth, becoming a certified aromatherapist gives you another credential showing that you have completed a rigorous course of study. We offer something like this at Aroma Hut Institute. Your clients deserve to know that you have spent time learning your craft, whether it's nursing, massage therapy, medicine, or energy healing. Integrating more than one modality will prepare you to address your clients' needs holistically. We would love for you to visit us at aromahut.com and take a look at our aromatherapy certification courses. We have actually 3 levels of courses. We have level 1, which is an entry-level course for anyone, even if you're a homemaker or just want to learn more about essentials. This is the place to start for you. Some of the frequently asked questions that you might have. First one that I get asked the most is, will I be able to call myself a certified aromatherapist when I study with you? And the answer is yes. Level 1 certification in our first entry-level course is 50 hours to 100 hours, depending on which course you choose. And both of these courses, in fact, all of our courses, are certified through the National Association of Holistic Aromatherapy, and that's NAHA. And they have accredited us as a school to teach worldwide this course. So if you do choose to study with us, you will be able to finish your first level of certification within a 15-week period. Now, we are offering online certification for aromatherapy as well as some live classes. Now, if you're in the Florida area and want to come down and join us for a live class, we would love to have you here. In that case, you would actually be able to get your certification within 4 days, which is exciting because you get hands-on training. We provide all the supplies, all the oils, and textbooks for you, and you would walk out the door as a certified aromatherapist that is recognized by NAHA. Now, yes, if you do graduate from level 1 and level 2, you will be able to call yourself a certified aromatherapist. Now, level 2 covers over 200 hours of study. This would take you approximately a year to complete. You can work at your own pace though and finish sooner if you choose to. But this particular course will allow you to be able to use the initial CA behind your name and also call yourself a certified aromatherapist recognized worldwide. Another question that I get asked is anatomy and physiology included in this course? And yes, it is. I wrote the curriculum for that very reason. You see, a lot of schools will send you out to go to the University of Phoenix or another college to take anatomy. And now it's disjointed. It's you're looking at essential oils, but over here you're studying the body systems. I've worked it to make it all complete, all one course, so that you will be able to immediately be able to address certain health conditions and diseases right along with your studies with essential oils. So we'll be blending for specific body system needs and conditions. So another question I get asked, how many hours is level 1 and level 2? And we just added level 3 for your clinical aromatherapist who might be a doctor, pharmacist, nurse, or in the healthcare industry. Level 1 is a 50-hour or 100-hour course, and level 2 is a 200-hour course. We use these as building stones, so you can take level 1 and then you can add level 2 and go on to level 3 if you choose to. Another question I get asked, can I use my own essentials? Of course you can. We support you in any brand that you choose to use. And another question that I've been asked is, do I offer a free essential oil class? Well, I do. I'm so excited to tell you this because this is based on one of my first books of essential oil, Heal with Essential Oil. So I developed an entire course around that, and you are going to be studying 8 of the most popular, commonly used essential oils. I share recipes, how-tos, videos, games. It's a great little course. It's free. All you got to do is visit aromahut.com and sign up for the course. Another question I get asked is, do we offer CEUs for continuing education? And yes, we are approved for CEUs credits through the ncbtmb.org website, which is the National Certification Board for Therapeutic Massage and Body Work. And so all of our courses are recognized across the United States. And so if you want more information, visit our website and you'll see how many hours we offer for all the courses we have on our website. So I am here for you. I'm available online as well as in person. So if you ever need help and you have any questions about our certification program, please feel free to visit aromahut.com and leave a message, and I will personally answer that question for you. I hope this helps. We look forward to seeing you and making you a member of our tribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.